how to add or remove the reminder panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now scroll down and then tap on edge panels. Now at the top here, make sure you turn on the edge panels. Then go down and tap on panels. After that, swipe across and then tap on reminder. So once you tap on the radio box and it is selected, it will be added to your edge panels. Now swipe out to open up the edge panels, and then you can swipe across until you can find the reminders panel. And that's it. From here you can add reminder, you can open up the reminder app, or you can simply tap on one of the reminder items. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.